Obviously, we can't jump this unit, right? We can't. It's a little harder, easier when you guys got the thermostat nearby. A little harder.
Yep.
Now, like as I was in the attic, like looking at the code that it was giving me, looking at that word, like there's something missing from this one. From this one. I don't know why. I was like, let me just try.
Now you know.
You know now. Which is stupid because like the day before that I did another control board. It was way more basic.
Sweet.
Nice.
Beat you.
Hey!
Wait, what the hell? Go back.
So there's your fan to cycle between circulate, auto, and on. We want that on auto. Hit next.
Would backup heat stage be the
Wouldn't that be if it was like a heat pump though?
It would be if it was dual fuel or heat pump. So I guess it already knows it's not, and it just skips that too. Okay. 3,000 system changeover. So you guys know what system changeover is? Because we have this setting on our other stats. System changeover, when you can choose between manual and automatic, that's going to determine whether or not they can see auto mode as an option.